Yes, what do you do on a rainy weekend? You get your phone out, which you haven't really played with. It is a Samsung 12, and the audio really sounds fabulous. As I sat out the back in this
This year's a bit wet.
rainy Saturday, and it is a bit wet, if I do say so myself. Yeah, so I'm just sitting out the back, checking out the audio, thinking it sounded like garbage until I've actually put it on the computer, and I thought, no, that sounds pretty cool. Yeah, we're just going to look over the edge here. That's a lawn. I've actually live in an apartment, and I've got a mower lawn. That's my little yard. Got some capsicums and a few other little veggies down there, but it's a bit wee, chilly and wet. So I'll just make my way back. Yes, it's
Chilling out the back.
definitely chilling, and I'm out the back recording this overdub, which is actually working pretty well. Yeah, just what do you do on a wet weekend? You just play with a few toys and a bit of equipment. Might even go down the lake and the beach later to see the flooding. There is a little bit of local flooding. And, yeah, but at the moment, I don't want to go out in the rain. I'm getting too soft. Anyway, there's my little planter boxes. I was told to throw those out, but I cut them all back and put them back in. And there's my shallots. They're flying along. The zoom on the camera seems okay. I really haven't played with the camera on the phone before, but you know, I might actually use it in the next music video. You never know. It works quite well. Here's the Samsung 12. Not one of the dearer phones, but yeah, for what you pay for it, it's not bad. And just listen to that audio. That was the main reason for the test. That rain sounds sensational. There's that rose over there just starting to come back after the possums have been eating them. All right, this is Jonesy signing off at Australian Radio Indie. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe and all that sort of business that they do. Hey, thanks everyone who's already subscribed. Well over 215 today. Fabulous. All right, this is Jonesy signing off.